Hi, my name is Kaya Hawthorne, and I'm going to be doing Adele Set Fire to the Rain. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. And it was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true in the games you play. You will always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn, let it cry as I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you near. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn as I cry when I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you called must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. Watched it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn as I cry when I heard it screaming out your